Hi Scorpios, this is your next 10 days reading. The next 10-day period is starting from the 1st of September to the 9th of September. I will be taking into account these 10 days and I'll be seeing what energies are going to be around you, which energies you should be alert about, and which energies you should be harnessing. I will be talking about that. Before I start your tarot reading regarding your 10 days energy, let me see what the angels oracle deck is telling about you. I have taken out one card from there. The card which fell out was focus on your priorities. Where you put your focus is where you receive your outcome. Your priorities are calling to you, which may produce a feeling of anxiety unless you give them the time and attention they and you deserve. Even a small amount of time devoted to your priorities will help you feel better and more confident. So, this is what is coming to you. The angels are telling you to fix your priorities so that you don't lose out on anything. So, the first energy which I am seeing right now in the next 10 days is going to be the Five of Pentacles. The Five of Pentacles is clarified by Five of Pentacles from another deck. So this means that there is a situation of lack. There is a situation of lack, a situation of feeling that you don't have enough. This means this could be in love, this could be in money, this could be in your relationships. So you are feeling a bit dissatisfied right now, and in the next 10 days this feeling will be there, and you will be feeling this because you are feeling that you are in a trapped situation. You have made a mental cage wherein you feel that you are trapped in it. You are having insecurities, you are in self doubt, you are beating yourself. Maybe some of you are feeling this is your own mental belief or your mental situation right now which is causing this. This is not a permanent energy. This is a small little thing which has caused it. This has been triggered by something. This, if you can connect it with your life, you will know what has triggered this. There is some insecurity happening because of love or because of something which has happened in your job or a place of work. So this has created a feeling of lack. This has created a feeling of being left out, alone, isolated, and you are feeling that you are trapped in this situation. So this feeling, however, will go away because the magician energy is coming. Magician energy could be either this could be a person who has caused this problem for you. This person is someone external. This person is not you actually. This person is, could be Aries, Virgo, or Gemini, or could be any other sign who is possessing this smooth talking energy, someone who is trying to do some treachery. So there is this trickster or a fraud around you who is causing this. Someone is causing some deception. This deception is caused to keep you in some illusion or keep you in some doubts. So this is happening for you, Scorpios. I am afraid this is caused by someone who is around you. But you will be accomplishing something in your career or in your personal life. There will be something of rejoicement. Some decision will be made regarding buying or selling of property, or there could be an engagement taking place, or there could be a family ceremony which will take place, or you will accomplish something in your career. A decision will be made, a decision is impending, you are at the crossroads. So you will decide on something which will give you this accomplishment, which will give you some happiness and ceremony, or some point of joy or something in your next 10 days. Indications will come to you, or it will happen in the next 10 days. There is this energy of air energy of King of Swords. This could be someone else, or this could be you who is taking up this energy and deciding in favor of something, because this energy is of, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. This could be someone else, or this could be you, who will be taking up this, sword energy and cutting away, you know this feeling of duality. This duality will be cut off by you will decide in favor of one thing, either love, maybe a relationship. Maybe you are having cold feet before your marriage, or you are having cold feet before, committing to something. So you will decide now. The time has come. In the next 10 days you are going to decide. So it could be a job commitment, it could be a relationship commitment, it could be, engagement, marriage, it could be, buying or selling of property, something which will give you happiness ultimately. This decision was pending, so you will decide in one or the other favor. So there is going to be a decision regarding your love, because I see the card of Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups means that it is your Scorpio energy. This energy is going to be, there for you. This is intuitive energy. You will take a decision with your intuition. You will take a decision with regards to your love. You will be offering a cup of love, or, you will be extending a hand in marriage, or, commitment. So this queen embodies love. This queen embodies, intuition, artistry, good things in life, good, charming, presentations. So this person is you. So you are going to extend this charm, extend this love towards the person. You have to decide. So you have to decide regarding a love situation or a family situation. I see you working towards it. I see you that either you are working for a job, very carefully, and you are hard working on it. So there is hard work there. There is some display of your expertise. So you are going towards either love with all concentration and all focus and working for a relationship, or you are deciding to, work your way out of this. Either you are wanting to, take up a relationship or take up a work. So there is a choice. So you will decide in favor of either love or either hard work. So you might be making a decision to relocate. Maybe you are taking a journey away from your loved one, maybe for job, for work. So there is this decision which is pending, because I see Two of Wands as well. Two of Wands means that there is going to be a distance, or you are in a distance. So there is this pending decision which has to be taken. So in the next 10 days I see you making a decision, or you are posed with a choice that whether you want your family to feel, fulfilled, or whether you want your job to feel fulfilled. So to feel, not feel a lack, or not feel, lack of money or lack of love, you have to make a decision. So some of you Scorpios who don't have love in your life will take a decision regarding love with the Queen of Cups, and some of you will take a decision to travel, to do more work, to do hard work, to earn more money. For some of you Scorpios, so there are these two groups who are going to take decision in favor of the lack they are feeling in. So I see you trying to solve this situation of lack through, proper work and going forward towards it. So I see some good news happening. I see in some of your case that you will be closing one chapter. You will be saying bye bye to something and going forward for a new thing. So it could be a new love relationship, it could be a job. Old job will be, you will quit the old job and go for a new job. You will quit the old relationship, go for a new relationship. You will quit the old place and go for a new place. So this change is coming, Scorpios. Within the next 10 days you will see the indications. I see you, I see you going abroad. I see you taking up a journey. I see you taking up a long journey. I see you accomplishing something, closing something, getting success in something and going forward with that success in your bag. So this is what I am seeing. I see you in the King of Cups energy. You will be your Scorpio self. You will be having all the elements of a Scorpio man or a woman. You will be, exuding charm, exuding intellect. You will be in control. You will be reserved. You will not show your emotions very freely to people. So you will be reserved, diplomatic. So I see you in this, form, and I see you being very charming in your behavior and in your presentation. I also see that there is, temperance card, the extra energy which I have got for the next 10 days. You will be, you will be negotiating better. You will be navigating better. You will be healed from all the problems you had, because you are going towards something new. So you will be taking up this, approach in life to get liberated from things which trap you. So within these 10 days you will see yourself getting out of the energy of this, 8 of swords. 8 of swords is a mental makeup which can be always dismantled. So this is what I see, and the final outcome is the sun. You will be going towards a place which will give you happiness, peace and comfort. Some of you will take a vacation. Some of you will try to, get out of, grow out of something old and try to establish a new person in place of an old person. So you will be changing your personality as well. So I see lot of joy coming, vacation happening, family affairs getting importance. I also see some of you getting away from family and going towards a place where you are looking for new pastures. So joy and happiness is surrounding you. Revitalization will happen. New vigor in life will come within the next 10 days. So I wish you all the best, Scorpios. I see you, going places, and I see things happening for you. So best of luck. I have also uploaded your career reading. Please have a look. Bye bye.